UCC's Library Studio is a fully automated one-touch video recording studio that allows you to record video presentations onto a USB key. Before using the Library Studio, check in by scanning the QR code and entering the code that was included in your booking confirmation email. The door code to access the studio is included in that email. To record basic videos, all you have to do is insert a FAT32 compatible USB with at least 1 GB of memory into the USB dock. This will turn on the lights and the camera for the studio. You can adjust the desk height to ensure the camera is at eye level. Please do not adjust the lights, settings, camera, or anything else. Before recording, pick one of 4 background options. A is a green screen background, B is a quad background, C is a picture-in-picture, which shows both you and a PowerPoint presentation, and D is a PowerPoint and audio only option, so there will be no video of you. If you have PowerPoint slides, remember to bring them on a separate USB. When you are ready to record, stand behind the yellow line and press the record pedal on the floor in front of you. This will prompt a countdown from 5 before recording will begin. Here's what you'll see when you're recording. Above the camera is where you'll see a live video of you. When you're finished recording, wait a few seconds and then press the record pedal button again. This will stop the recording and then you can remove your USB when prompted. And that's it. Remember, the only thing you may need to adjust is the desk height. So please do not touch the lights, camera, or anything else. We hope you enjoy using the UCC Library Studio.